So today we're going to be drawing a super cute Brontosaurus. That's the kind of dinosaur that has a really long neck. So we're going to start with the eye. So we're going to draw an oval. We're going to draw an oval for the eye. And then once we have that down, we're going to draw this kind of like semicircle. So like part of a circle on the inside for the eye. Then we're going to add a smaller circle and then a really small circle. All right, awesome. The next step after that is we're just going to color in that circle we drew earlier. We're going to keep the little circles white. That's going to make the eye really, really cute. So we have our eye. We're just going to add a little eyebrow. Just going to add a little eyebrow to make him more expressive. And then we can move on to drawing his head. So we have a straight line that curves around and then ends with a straight line. So that's going to be his snout. And when we're done drawing his snout, we can draw his chin. His chin's going to come directly below his mouth and then curve up for his jaw. Then we're going to add a little dot for the nostril. That way our little dinosaur can breathe. And then we're going to draw the top of his head, which is just this curved line that goes around. And we're going to bring it down. We're going to bring it down. So that's going to be our dinosaur's neck. Or should I say the back of his neck. Then we're going to draw the front part. The front part, as you can see, it's not completely straight. It kind of curves a little bit as you draw it. Curves slightly as you draw it. And it's going to be a really long neck. Brontosaurus, they have really, really long necks. Then we're going to draw the detail on the neck. So he has these scales on his neck. So we're going to start by drawing that same curved line. And then we're going to draw curved lines on the inside for his scales. Curved lines on the inside for his scales. And there's not a certain number of these you have to draw. Just draw as many will fit. Draw as many will fit. And we'll be good. All right, let's move on to his leg. So we're gonna draw this straight line. It goes down quite a ways, and then this curved line on the bottom, and then that same straight line up. That's gonna be one of his feet. So it's basically like a rectangle, except we don't fill in that last side. Then we're gonna add this little spiral. That's for his knee. So we're gonna add a little spiral shape. Little swirl. And then we're gonna add his toes, like an upside down U shape. We're gonna draw 3 of those. And we have one leg done. One leg done. Let's draw the leg on the other side. Let's draw the leg on the other side. So straight line and then curves. Then all we gotta do is add that detail. So we're gonna draw the same little swirly spiral shape. And then his toes. So 1, 2, 3. All right, fabulous. Let's move on to his tummy. So we're gonna draw his tummy, and we're gonna draw those scales too. So we're gonna draw his tummy. Then we'll add those lines to his tummy. Add those lines to his tummy. Then we can move on to his hind legs. So we have this curved line that goes out, curves around like the other one, curves up, curves out. Then we're gonna draw that little swirly spiral shape again, and then his toes. All right, we've got one more leg to draw. So we're gonna draw a curved line just like we did before. Then we need to add that little swirly spiral shape. And then the toes. 1, 2, 3. All right. All of his feet are done. So we're gonna move on to the tail. So we have a curved line, it curves up, and then another curved line, and then connect at the end. Then, you guessed it, we're gonna draw those curved lines again on the tail. Draw those scales. And then we are almost done with our cute Brontosaurus. We need to draw his back. So we're gonna draw this curved line that goes down and then boop, attaches to the tail. And then to really make him look like a dinosaur, we're gonna add some little spikes to his back. So you can add as many as you want, or you may decide you don't want to add any at all. That's totally fine. But I'm gonna add some to his back and his tail. His back and his tail. So I'm gonna go all the way down and there we go. We are completely done with our Brontosaurus drawing. When you're all done, you can color your Brontosaurus. I decided to make mine green and yellow. But honestly, dinosaurs can be any color you want. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.